Global cues again slightly mixed. The SGX Nifty is in the green. Here's Nigel with the world view.
Well, we had commentary coming in from President Donald Trump overnight that he's cancelled that visit to Davos. Also, we had commentary coming in from the Fed Chair, Jerome Powell. He says that they're going to be looking at shrinking the balance sheet going ahead in 2019 as well. That taken, the U.S. markets recovered from the low point of the day, particularly in the final hour of trade, recovered close to around 150, 160 points just in the last hour. To note, all those three indices ended in the green. The Dow and the S&P 500, they are on a 5-session winning streak. And in yesterday's trading session, Boeing was a stock that did well, ended with a gain of more than 2%. Morgan Stanley upgraded the stock out there. But otherwise, there were a couple of disappointments. From the retail space, Macy's, their same-store sales growth was quite disappointing for the holiday season. That stock was down more than 17% yesterday. And American Airlines as well, they cut their revenue guidance going ahead. Remember, just a few trading sessions ago, Delta had cut their revenue guidance. So that space as well, not looking very, very good in the overnight trading session. Shifting focus, though, to the earnings next week, a lot of those big banking names will come out with their numbers. European markets yesterday, they ended more or less mixed. The CAC ended mildly in the red. Otherwise, the other two markets ended in the green. Auto stocks were in focus. We had news from JLR as well as Ford. Both of them are going to be going ahead and cutting some jobs. But the auto sector was the worst performing sector in the overnight trading session. In terms of the emerging markets, the Brazilian index continues to run along. That's up close to 5% in 2019. Overnight as well, it was up 200 points. And if we're looking at the Asian markets, the Nikkei is up. It's a relative outperformer, sitting with a gain of around 150 points. Though we had data coming out of there, the household spends wasn't as great as, it contracted more than expected. Asian markets, though, trading more in the green than red. Brent crude prices, though, holding above $61 per barrel. The dollar index at around 95.5 odd mark. The SGX Nifty, though, is indicating a green start, 25-point bump up.
All right, Nigel, thanks a lot for that.